When does a house become a home? It's when you put down roots and begin to reap the benefits of room to grow, roam, and wander. Welcome to Northpoint, a sprawling estate located in Statesville, North Carolina, featuring 73 acres of peace, privacy, and tranquility. A simple stroll through the manicured gardens makes way to the open, inviting front porch, where time will seem to stand still. Inside, country charm meets over 4,800 square feet of modern efficiency. This well-appointed kitchen will bring out the inner gourmet in just about anyone, where home-cooked meals meet culinary convenience. From the warm decor of the wood-adorned study to the comfort of the owner's retreat, relax away the stresses of the day in this comforting oasis of a master bath. Northpoint offers harmony that resonates throughout. The expansive views of the rolling meadows simply never get old. Take a stroll to the private pond, where generations have spent hours on the dock. Here they have grown, fed, and even wed. As evening approaches, unwind in the gazebo, the perfect place to reminisce, reflect, and celebrate memories that last a lifetime. Speaking of things that last, this modern outbuilding provides 6,000 square feet of wide open space where you can build, fix, and preserve that which transcends a lifetime of craftsmanship. Whether you want to work in the fields or just swing lightly in the breeze. Whether you want to speed up or slow down. Nothing here will get in the way of creating a legacy from generation to generation. Welcome to Northpoint.